बाद क्या हो जाएगा, वी हैव सुपीरियर न्यूकल लाइन एंड वी हैव व्हाट, लिगामेंटम न्यूक्लियर। तो वो पोस्टीरियरली हमारा हो चुका है। सुपीरियर न्यूकल लाइन यहाँ हो गया। देन एक्सटर्नल occipital protuberance, we are talking about the bony landmark, so that will be your superior limit of the deep investigation.
मैम ब्लैक बोर्ड पर देखूंगा।
Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll repeat it. Anterior is symphysis medullae and Howard, then posteriorly external occipital protuberance and ligamentum nucleus, then superiorly base of mandible, tympanic plate, external acoustic meatus and mastoid process. Okay, pause करो। Okay, so we are discussing here the transverse section showing the various facial layer. Okay, various facial layer. So this is what, this is your C7 vertebra or the cervical vertebra. Okay, so what is the peculiar thing about investing layer of fascia is that it has the property to split and unite. So what is the unique property? It will split, it will enclose some muscle or some glands or some spaces, and then again it unites. So that is the thing which we have to discuss. So this is the cervical thing. Now this is your sternocleidomastoid muscle. In the front, sternocleidomastoid, this is your symphysis mental. Then this is various neck muscle. This is the transverse section showing the various facial arrangement. Okay, so this is your sternohyoid. This is your sternothyroid muscle. Okay, this is sternocleidomastoid. This is trapezius muscle. Trapezius muscle. Okay. Now here we have to make one structure, that is what? Here will be your, this is the lobe of thyroid gland, this is the trachea, and this is the esophagus. Okay. Now here will be your carotid sheath. This will be your carotid sheath on the lateral side. On the both lateral side we have the carotid sheath, and we have the various structure. Internal carotid artery, internal jugular vein, and the vagus nerve inside. Okay. So now how we will see? We will make a different color from the different. So we will start from the trapezius. So this fascia start from both the sides, from the right and from the left. It will start and it will, from the posterior border it will come here and it will split it will split and enclose this muscle. These are the trapezius and then again reunite. This is the prevertebral fascia. Sorry, this is the investing layer of the fascia which encircles the body. Again investing layer come here. It will split. It will enclose that trapezius muscle and then come forward. Again in the anterior aspect it will split. It will enclose the sternocleidomastoid muscle and then reunite. Here also in the left side, it splits, enclose that sternocleidomastoid and again reunite. So this is the peculiar thing about this investing layer of fascia. So in this thing, this is the investing layer of the cervical fascia. This is the investing layer. Now coming to this layer, now this is the vertebra. So around vertebra and here will be what? Scalenus muscle, scalenus muscle. So here near the spine this will be your scalenus anterior muscle. Okay. Then behind this is the scalenus medius and this will be your posterior. Here also anterior, medius and posterior. Three muscles will be there. So in front of vertebra there will be your prevertebral fascia. So we have to make here prevertebral fascia. Okay, this is the prevertebral fascia. Now one fascia will be there. This is your here. This is the buccopharyngeal and in front of trachea, this is the pretracheal. So in front of trachea, this is the pretracheal fascia. And here is the point when buccopharyngeal and pretracheal fascia, this will meet together. Okay. Now here with the yellow, I will show that carotid fascia. Pretracheal fascia is split to form. This pretracheal fascia will split to form that anterior layer of this carotid sheath or the anterior layer of this carotid fascia. So green, this yellow will be your carotid fascia. This point of junction is the buccopharyngeal and pretracheal. This will join here. So this is the transverse section of the neck muscle which is showing that various fascial layer. Many MCQs in the PG entrance exam or NEET PG will be asked over here, like which is present, like if there is a carotid, the ansa cervicalis also present on the ansa cervicalis. There will be sympathetic chain here. So many MCQs will be asked on the location of which is behind that. The sympathetic chain will be located behind the prevertebral fascia, or it is in front of prevertebral fascia, or it is in between the pretracheal and buccopharyngeal fascia. So many MCQs will be asked on this transverse section. So you have to study it carefully. It is extremely important. Okay. So when you see the MCQs, this transverse section, and now many image based question is also asked. So for that point of view also this transverse section is extremely important. So you have to remember this diagram very well. Okay. So this is the transverse section of this investing layer of the fascia. Now what is the peculiar things we have discussed? It will split and it